Lowe's customer, our dog chewed the plug off of the new pre-lit Christmas tree. Question: can it be fixed, still have the plug, and is it worth fixing?
Hello. Welcome to Just Answer. It most likely can be repaired. The replacement male ends come in various grades and prices. Considering the age of the tree, new, the ease of replacement, very simple, and the cost of a new male end, very inexpensive, I would definitely repair it.
I think the male end is still usable. The chewing was in the middle of the wire, so there is a tail left on the male end. So do I need to call an electrician to the house, or is there a place to drop off?
I wouldn't hire an electrician, as that would be pretty expensive. I can walk you through a few steps to repair it yourself.
So you think this is something I can do myself? Great. What do I need to do?
Yes. Are you able to post photos here? If so, can you put the two severed ends near each other and show them in a photo? It's fortunate your dog wasn't injured. Was the tree plugged in at the time?
Arg. Of course, now the male end has been misplaced. Looking for it. The tree was plugged in, she was lucky.
Just curious. What breed of dog?
Yorkie Pekingese Mutt Mix. She's a cutie, but she loves to chew. Darn, can't find it right now and I've got to get somewhere to pick up at 5:30. Is there a way to put this on hold and get back to you?
Sure. I need to leave soon for church anyway.
So, how do I get back to you in this conversation? And is there anything I should buy in the meantime? I do have electrical tape. Smile.
Log on to www.justanswer.com. Click My Questions in the upper right corner of the page. That should take you to a page that has a link to this chat. I'm looking for a link at Lowe's to show you what to purchase. Do you live near a Lowe's store?
Yes, I do.
Great. Here's one item you need. http://www.lowes.com/pd_136064 12704 770303_0_ product it equals 3438516 and NTT equals but plus splices and PL equals 1 and current turl equals %3 FNTT %3 but %tubes blisses and facet info equals.
Okay. It will probably be tomorrow night then?
That's fine. I work full-time away from this site, and usually arrive home about 5 p.m. Central Time.
Sounds great, thank you.
Here's the tool you need. But I think there are less expensive versions available. http://www.lowes.com/pd_4731389295 TCC9D_0_ product it equals 500830882 and NTT equals wire plus crimper and PL equals 1 and current turl equals %3 FNTT %3 dwyer %tube crimper %26 page %3D2 and facet info equals.
I will look. I get home around 5:30 CST, so it will be after that for me too. Thanks.
Is there a Home Depot near you?
Yes.
http://www.homedepot.com/p/Stanley 8 in wire stripper and cutter and crimper 84 199 203,860,092.
Okay, THX.
The first crimper is professional grade, and you really don't need that. The Home Depot model is fine for what you are doing.
Thank you so much.
Happy to help. Is there anything else I can do for you at this time?
No, I'll be back to you tomorrow night. Thanks again.
Looking forward to it.
Jason, sorry that it took so long to get back to you. Been under the weather. In the meantime, happened to mention this service to my aunt, who told me my uncle could do this for me. Came over last night and did it in about 10 minutes. So thankful for your encouragement to do myself and your willingness to help. Big thumbs up for this service and for your help in particular.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.